What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning into another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, for those that are new here, welcome. My name is Aleia. I do natural hair care videos, reviews, tutorials, demos, and chit chats and whatnot. Guys, I've recently been trying to slay my edges. What better person to go to than the queen herself, JeweJeweBee? So yes, I've been trying to slay my edges, and I think JeweJeweBee can help us out a lot. I'm actually just going to recreate her look that she did. She does have 2 videos, I believe, or maybe more, but I could find 2 on her channel about how she slays her edges. Now, we don't have the same head shape, we don't use the same gel, I don't use the same technique as her, so we're going to try it, but we'll see whose comes out better. Let's hop into it. Okay, guys, so before we start the video, we do need a couple tools at hand to help us out with our slayed edges. The first tool that you will need is a comb. JeweJeweBee does use a comb to slay her edges, so I will be using one too. She also has a toothbrush that she uses, so I have a toothbrush. She uses Eco Styler gel, but I'm not going to be using that because it just doesn't work for my hair. So I'll be using that good old Got To Be gel. This is my favorite gel right here for those that don't know, to slay my edges. I don't use this all over my hair. I just use this on my edges, or if I'm trying to get a slick look, this is the best tool to do so. So let's go ahead and try JeweJeweBee's slayed edges look.
When you do your edges like this, wrist motion, it's all about the flick of the wrist. You better warm them up first, so we're just going to do a warm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you move those wrists. 8, 9, 10. Once your wrists are warm, you should be ready to go. Okay, I'm just kidding. You don't have to do that, but it is all of the wrist motion. I'm going to show you guys
here, right? All of the
how
wrists.
I do it. Here, I'm using the Eco Styler Crystal Gel.
Okay, so I don't have the Eco Styler gel again, so I'll just be using the good old Got To Be gel that I have right here.
It's max 10 hold. I love this gel. I know people love the argan oil and the olive oil one. To me, those are like more moisturizing. And even though it's level 10 hold, it doesn't seem like it has like as much hold because it's so moisturizing. This one literally is just hold. So I really like to use this on my edges. I'm going to take the Eco Styler.
Okay, guys, so it looks like she's starting to apply it to her hair. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and first start and take some of my gel, put a good amount on my hand, and let's see how much she applies. Here's mine.
And put it all over.
Okay. Okay, so it looks like she's putting it all over the first section. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same exact thing. I think... Do I need more? Girl, do I need more gel? Don't know. Alright. Let's keep going. I think I need more.
And now that that's done, I'm going to take a rat tail comb.
Wait, I'm not ready. Alright, girlfriend. Show me what you got. Here's my rat tail.
And I'm going to do 3 swoops on this side. And like I said, it's all about the flick of the wrist. So I start at the top, and what we're going to do...
I'm also looking at how she's holding the comb. She's not holding it like this. She's holding it with her 3 fingers on top, and it looks like her thumb on the bottom. And it's going to be like a swooping motion. Like she said, it's all in the flick of the wrist. Go ahead, girl. I love it.
Is an L shape. Like down and then long. Down and then long. Actually, it's more like a bubble letter L, because what we're essentially doing is kind of taking it... No, it's like a J.
A J?
Yeah, kind of like a J. So what we're doing is going forward, kind of rounding, and then going straight back. And I'll show you guys. I'm going to go forward, round, and then take it straight back. Dang, my hair was stiff. I don't know what. So you can see it has a swoop there, but usually I don't just
I
do
tried
one.
it. I did a swoop, y'all.
I like to get it the perfect shape, so sometimes I have to do it 2 times, sometimes 10 times. So I'm going to do it again. Take the hair down and then straight back. So once you go down, you hold the hair where you kind of start curving down, hold it there, and then straight back. And as you can see, that is the first swoop. I'm gonna go show you guys the second one. So
I can't get the line to show. How does she get the line to show?
And you
I got
go
the
down,
swoop. I can't get the line.
bring it a little bit forward, hold, and go straight back. And what I like to do
I'm still on the first one. This ain't working. Hold on. So she did the swoop with the line. I cannot get the line to work. I quit.
I like to go back up over the previous one because when you create that swoop, sometimes it's a different shape than this one, or you might mess up the line here. So what I like to do is go back up and redo that one. Ooh, okay. Okay now. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a little bit more gel, put it over this, and do the same exact thing. This one is...
Man, I'm only on the second one. She's on the third one already. Hold on. Trying to get the lines, girl. Trying to get the lines. I got the swoop. I just can't get the lines, Juju. Can't get the line. Gosh. It's like the hardest thing working with thick hair. This is like, this is interesting. Hold on. I'm gonna take a little bit more gel because it's drying out on me. Oh, she's already on the third one. I gotta go back and fix the first one, but she did say she does it like 1,000 times. So like I don't feel bad for having to keep trying. She makes it look so easy.
It's always the easiest for me to do because it's so small and I kind of already have like the part and everything from doing the previous one. So grab as much hair, push it down, and go down, and then straight back. And as you can see, I have the 3 swoops. But also, as you can see, like, it's not a super straight line here. It's kind of not a straight line here. So I'm going to go back from top to bottom and I'm going to redo it. And now the last thing, well, before I do the other side, is I'm going to take some more gel and I'm just going to lay it over top of it.
Girl. I gotta do this literally like 1,000 times for it to work. Drew, this is about as best as I could do, baby. This is about as best as I could do. I done used all this damn gel on one side of my head, not even the whole side. It's one side. The gel wanna dry out because I'm doing it so much. But when I apply more gel, I lose all the definition. Okay, hold on. Can we just keep it like this? This is not easy getting the JeweJeweBee look, guys. This is why she is who she is. Okay, we're just gonna have to move on. Because I'm over it.
And kind of get it to hold in place. It's kind of like hairspray. Like, it's just really going to get it to stay like that and just hold. The main thing I focus on when I do my edges is these lines being straight. So sometimes I'll just go and reinforce those lines there. And you guys want to know something that's like kind of embarrassing? Sometimes, actually quite a few times, I will not do this side because you can't see it anyways. Like, my hair's down. So Sometimes I'll just do this side, and if the wind blows, that's what I do sometimes, but I'm going to do the other side to show you guys how I do it. Actually, this side is the side that's easier to do and usually ends up coming out better. And it's so annoying because I wear my part on this side, so it's like, what's the point?
How the hell she move on to the other side so damn fast? I'm still stuck on this side. I think I got a little something, but it ain't. Alright, let's just move on. Let me quickly do the other side. Hold on, Jew. Hold on, man. Hold on. Gotta get some more gel. Not having. Got a whole bunch of gel this time. Alright, so let me just go ahead. And she did mention that she likes to do it on dry hair because it just lays better and it stays better. I like to do my edges on dry hair as well. I think it's easier to do your edges at night, so you're already ready to go in the morning and you could just touch them up when they slay and lay, girl. Y'all, I just want to cry. My arms hurt, my wrists hurt. I don't think I warmed up enough. Like,
see how easy that was? This side always gives me trouble and does not look as good as this side here. What side do you guys think looks better? Side number 1 or side number 2? I feel like this side always turns out better. I just finished this side, and this side kind of starts curling up a little bit. So I'm showing you guys the real process. Like, I do this side, sometimes go over it like 15 times, do this side, then have to do this side again. So this is just the real, like, routine. And there we go. And here's where I use a toothbrush. I don't use it on this part, but I do use a toothbrush or a mascara brush here. I just take some here forward, hold down, swoop, kind of doing a mini version of what I do here. And then take some here on this side, hold it down and swoop. And to me, this kind of reminds me of a mustache. My dad called it that when my sister did it. He's like, why do you have a mustache on your forehead? But kind of reminds me of that. And then I just put my scarf on. It's been a few hours and my edges are...
Wait a minute, girl. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is pretty much what we're working with, y'all. This is pretty much what we're working with. What I'm going to do is take... I'm tired. I'm hot, but I got these rabbits right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take one and put it on my edges. I am just going to ponytail it out the way so I can easily get to it. But I did bobby pin these down because it was hard. And I don't even think it looks right. But we're gonna lay it down. So go ahead and take it. I stretch it out and pull it a little bit. Place it right on your edge. Alright, so I did go ahead and put this on, and I also have my scarf right here, so I'll throw this on as well. It looks like she did put her scarf on and she waited a few hours. We'll just go ahead and listen to how she prepared her hair for the final step.
Are now dry. I actually wanted to speed up the process a bit, so what I did was pull my scarf back and
Hers
just take
looks
my
so
blow dryer
perfect. I'm
and
jealous.
blow dry my edges for about 5 minutes, but
Okay.
I let
So you can see here, she says I typically let it for, I love her edits. This is so cute. She said I typically let it dry overnight, which I'm going to do. So I'm actually going to go ahead and stop this video right here because I am about to head to bed. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry overnight, put my scarf on, and I'll come back in the morning and we'll see what's going on. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning. Deuces. Good morning, guys. So I am up and I slept beautifully, if anyone cares, but let's go ahead and hop back into this because I gotta hurry up. I got somewhere to be. All right, so now we are at Juju's like final reveal. I did let my hair dry overnight, as you guys can tell, but in her video she just let it sit for a few hours, and she also used a blow dryer to dry her ends and speed up the process. I just let mine sit like overnight. That's it.
I did that. So
here's hers.
Here is the edges reveal. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Okay, there's hers. Let's see how we're working with mine. Oh gosh. This side got a little somewhere. This side, not so much. And I'll come back on here later and I'll show you guys like how it held up throughout the day and show you guys like the end results. Alright guys, so I'll be back when my day is over and I'll see you guys soon. Deuces. Alright guys, I'm back. It is the end of the day, and as promised, I did tell you guys that I would come back on here and just tell you my experience throughout the day and if the edges were able to hold up. I think they were. I like them for a first time. I ain't no pro, but we're getting somewhere and that's important. So, I mean, you can see it was peeling a little bit up here. My hair is like not sticking right there, but everything else is fine. I wish I was able to define the lines a little bit more because that's what she said was the most important part, was the lines, and like I definitely see why. So I mean, I really do like it. I'm gonna get better at defining the lines going back. It was hard, y'all. She made it look so easy, and she even said she does it like 20 times, swooping, going to the other side, swooping. So y'all, did you do it? Did you do it? Like, if you going, you know what I mean, get the juju look, you gotta warm it up like she said, okay? So anyways, I really enjoyed this look. I'm so happy to be learning from JeweJeweBee, the queen herself, to slay my edges, and now it's time to slay this hair because this is an old wash day and it's time to get it together. So I hope you catch me in my next video. But guys, thank you so much for joining me today. If you have not already, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Hopefully Juju sees it. Hey girl, hey, I've been a fan for like a long time. You don't know me, but you're awesome. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.